Ending the campaign for governor of Massachusetts. 1 week from tomorrow, the Commonwealth votes. Let's go live to the studios of WCVB television in Needham, Massachusetts, where tonight the four candidates debate the issues once again. The incumbent, Democrat Deval Patrick, is seeking a second term. His challengers are Republican Charles Baker, Independent Tim Cahill, and Green Rainbow candidate Jill Stein. This is the final consortium debate, the last, number 16, in a series of forums that's taken the candidates across the Commonwealth. Among the issues likely to come up tonight, the economy and job creation, big dig financing, taxes and spending, health care reform, the foreclosure crisis. The hour-long debate is moderated by former ABC News anchor Charles Gibson. Jim Browdy has the action coming up at 8 o'clock. Now to WCVB, the consortium governors debate.
Good evening. I'm Charles Gibson, and I want to welcome you to the final Massachusetts gubernatorial debate of the 2010 election. This debate is being broadcast to voters across the Commonwealth, one last time that voters can listen to and take the measure of the men and women who want to lead this state for the next 4 years. This debate is being sponsored by the Boston Media Consortium. That's WCVB-TV, WHDH-TV, WGBH-TV, WBUR Radio, New England Cable News, and the Boston Globe. Let me introduce the candidates. Democrat Deval Patrick, the current governor of Massachusetts. Tim Cahill, an independent in this race, and the current state treasurer. Charlie Baker, a Republican.
Charlie Baker.
And Jill Stein of the Green Rainbow Party, and a physician. The rules? Well, there aren't any, really. No timers. This is going to be a simple discussion, but when there are no time limits, no red lights, I know from experience that the answers can go on a bit. So with apologies in advance, I will interrupt politely, I hope. And so let's begin.